This is a 38-inch white Monte Carlo Mach 3 ceiling fan. I don't know what year this is from. And certainly, I'm pretty sure it's discontinued. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's actually still being sold. I don't know. Actually, I have no idea how they got this, but they actually ordered this online. I don't know. Maybe it is still being sold, but I'll have to check. And it's really cool because it has holes in the blades. You know, this fan certainly blows a lot of air. Yeah, it's pretty much the best air mover in this house. Well, except, you know, it's smaller. Maybe it's not. Actually, the 52-inch ones definitely blow more air because they're bigger. But this one is like insane. This one will let out a ton of air because of the way the blades are. This is the only ceiling fan in this house that has a light kit. I should have told my grandma that this could be installed without the light kit. Actually, no. It can't. Actually, it can't. I'm gonna turn it on low now. Fan's kind of insane now, but I can show you this. And this is upstairs. It's right next to the Hunter Mayfair ceiling fan that I made a video of already. I'm actually starting to hear a sound from this fan. Oh. Okay, turn on medium now. Nope. Yeah. This is controlled by this wall control that's I don't know if it's original. Yeah, pretty sure this came with a remote, but this fan actually runs more than any other ceiling fan in this house. Pretty much every time I come here, this is already on. You can really now get to feel some of the air movement now. I don't know how close I can get. I don't know if I can get close enough where my tablet can, but this is totally loud. You can hear this from all the way downstairs. My sister is in the background. She's laughing right now. I don't know why. It's really funny. This fan. Certainly, you can hear this. Yeah, that's insane. When I'm downstairs, I could hear that from all the way downstairs. I'm gonna turn this to low now. Okay, bye.